Hope for the best.
Okay, I've had a quick walk around here. Sharon Spooky Ghost on FaceTime hasn't seen
castle.
It is a bit of a castle.
Definitely. This is a beautiful house.
Why is he here?
Well, we just come here to have a look. Is that okay if we look through your lovely house? Oh, look at those beautiful windows. Can you tell me, is this your lovely house? What was that?
I know. There's noises there, but it said axe.
Oh, what a beautiful kitchen. Can you tell me who's with us? I'll introduce myself. My name's Sharon and this is Peter. Can you tell me who's here with us?
The little, granny flat room at the back's locked up. We can't get in there.
Oh.
I'd say it might have been a space that was just used for the kids to go and play, so they didn't make a mess elsewhere.
Stay with me.
Okay. It's a very grand castle, isn't it?
Well, it's 2-story.
Oh, and it's lovely. Oh, like a little space under the stairs.
Yeah, there's little nooks everywhere.
Well, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Thomas Street.
Yeah. I'll just put the light on Ghost Tube app.
Does anybody here like to speak to us?
Do you want to go upstairs?
Yes. God. It's so much nicer to do a home like this than to do
Father.
a home where people defecate that in.
Yeah, well. Where do you want to go, left or right?
Oh, I don't mind, wherever.
Go left.
What, straight through there? Okay, yeah. Oh, that's like a storage place.
Yeah, attic space.
Yeah. Oh, look at the louvers. Oh, wow, this is a beautiful house.
I reckon that looks really, exquisite, expensive.
Yeah.
Then you go and walk down it.
Oh, I like the mat. Oh. Tiny room, isn't it?
Alright. And there's one stupid comment below. What's the other side of this door? Any idea, Spooky Ghost?
Playroom.
A what?
Playroom. Oh.
Nothing.
Oh, wow.
I mean, whether back in the day they had a balcony there, but there's nothing there now.
I mean, I guess it's to let the pre-mental doctor through.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, no one's speaking to us at all. They're like, well, what are you doing here? Who are you? And then it's like, no, nothing else.
Yeah, maybe downstairs.
A little bit between Thomas Street and the doctor's surgery, really.
Okay.
Oh, God. A walk-in road.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I know Spooky Ghost wouldn't like this room.
Yeah, I do. Gotta love the pine.
And the doors don't go anywhere.
Oh, what? They're just doors?
No, they've put it up this side. So it was one room.
Oh.
They've made it into 2 rooms. Well, we'll go back downstairs and see if there's anything.
What happened to me?
Are you going to talk to us now?
I'm not sure.
Wandering.
What happened here? Hang on, what was that?
Wandering.
Yeah, we're wandering through your house. Is that okay? Oh, we're not here to touch anything. We're only here to see if there's any spookies here.
Well, it's a lot cooler down here than up there, I tell you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful door.
Power's still on too.
The house is what?
The power is still on.
Oh. So it means someone didn't long leave here.
Possibly. Your driveway looks like it has, because it's got moss growing on it, but I was outside looking. This window's the same as the one next door. But this one must have had more heat on it. Can you see it starting to collapse?
Yeah. Is there anybody in here that wants to speak to us?
I want it.
What do you want?
Microwave. Oh.
I'm not focusing. There's a builder's car at the back, because there's a lot of building work in the street. There's not much parking, so a builder's parked at the back.
And he'll probably be coming up to his car soon.
That would be a right guarantee for our place, but wrong colour.
Yeah, that is nice. I would like that.
Well, if there's no spookies here, you might as well get with the seagulls and flock off, and I can maybe show Sharon Spooky Ghost around. It's pretty dead as a dodo, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very much so.
I mean, all these dicks that say, oh, Ghost Tube app just
Why is he here?
repeats, so you've asked that before.
Again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About repetitive stuff. Well, when you're not getting anything, it must mean something.
Well, I mean, it's somebody's there, Bub, because they're saying, oh, what's he doing here? So it's like someone is, you know, what I'm saying is not snobbish, but like saying you're not allowed in my house.
Yeah.
So what they're
I want to
saying-
come.
Oh, you do? I'd more likely think it's somebody that thinks you're trespassing as such. What are you doing here, you know?
Yeah.
They're not interested in talking to you. They just want to know what you're doing in their house kind of thing. I'm sorry if you're upset because we're in your house.
How did I die?
Well, I'm not too sure. And then
Aroused.
you told us who you were.
It's a bit ironic, isn't it?
What?
Well, it said before, I want to come, and it just said aroused.
Well, I don't think this is a brothel.
No, not at all. I'm just going ahead to be nosy. I think looks like a back window's open.
Oh.
Oh no. Old rickety double garage.
Oh, okay. Have you got the ghost tube app still going?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, it definitely is a castle, isn't it? Look at it.
Yeah. And here's that doorway.
Yeah.
Agreed.
About it be looking like a castle.
Was this your
Car.
castle?
Yeah, there is a car there.
Hello.
Oh, my God.
Hang on.
Haunted.
Hello?
So there is a car here. But it's a builder's car because there's no parking on the street. There's a sign in the windshield that says exactly that. So,
Oh.
bonus points for Ghost Tube app.
Yeah, and it said haunted, Dad.
Not really though, is it?
It does give you that vibe, and you can kind of think you see things around the corner, the corner of the eye type thing. So who knows? Maybe just reluctant to communicate.
It's quite a nice house, really.
Oh, it is. It's very much like Thomas Street.
And then, with your back and your legs, you wouldn't be able to get upstairs, but I'd say we'd live upstairs.
Follow you.
I don't know what you'd use this room for.
Oh, you're following us, are you? Could you please tell me who you are?
Mirror.
There's a mirror in the garage. In the bathrooms there is, yeah.
But we just brought a mirror.
Oh, we did too.
And the thing is, the mirror is a grand old mirror.
Yeah, well, we don't know if that's haunted or not.
Yeah.
Table.
Well, where's your table? Did you have one just out there, did you? Someone's now interfering. Oh, golly jingies. Oh, someone would have been sad leaving this beautiful house.
If it was a deeper kitchen, we could reuse it.
Yeah. I definitely would like that kitchen in my kitchen.
Well, I don't know if anybody's got anything else to say, because we really need to be somewhere else, and actually not even at that place, because we've got it going to go somewhere else after that place too.
Yeah. Well, we're going to say goodbye to you. Is there anything you'd like to say before we go?
I mean, are we going to go where you want to go, or are we going to detour and come back another day for that next place?
Oh, you're talking about to visit Rosemary?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still going to try very quickly.
Because it's an hour to get to
Yeah, I know.
Wangara, and that's
Yeah.
Stalker.
I'm supposed to be home.
Tell me about it.
Well, you tell us quickly, because we've got to go. We've given you some time. You're not spoken to us.
Oh, I'm looking at your beautiful doors and everything. Oh, they're lovely.
Okay.
Such a beautiful house.
Well, power's still on, but there's no power unless someone stole the globes. Oh, unless they've been turned off.
Oh, we're sadly going to have to say goodbye to this beautiful house. And whoever's in here who just spoke to us at the very end, thank you very much for speaking to us. And you stay here and take care of this beautiful house.
Why it still stands.
And
Father.
thank you. Oh, you're the father. But thank you very much for speaking to us.
Never seen a double trough before at a laundry.
Oh. Darling, you're in the upper class area.
Yeah, I know.
They have a lot of things you've probably never seen before.
Yeah, I know. They're aroused too. They want to come. Go haunt your loved ones. Haunt your neighbours. Mind you, the neighbours are being demolished as well. And,
A ways to demolish this house. It's beautiful.
yeah.
Only for you. I'm stuck.
Well, why are you stuck? Oh, a little bit of a blossom tree.
Alright, we're going to go. Thanks for chatting to us.
Bye.